I thought a side-by-side of these two foldable keyboards would be helpful because my husband first bought this smaller one which folds in half, but it wasn't quite up to par for him because the shortcuts and all that are not the same. It is very, very small and compact. So if that is your focus, this is going to be the best one. But if you need a full-size keyboard with the same exact buttons that your regular keyboard has, this is going to be the better one. It folds in thirds. It's absolutely insane. It is rechargeable with a USB-C cord. And then back to this one, it's going to fold in half and it's rechargeable here on the side. So folded, you'll see this is much smaller, but this is still very compact. I hope that helps. They're both really great keyboards, both from ProtoArc. I will link in video description below.